In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow microphone access on Windows 11. If apps like Teams, Zoom, or your favorite voice recorder can't hear you, the issue is often a permission setting in Windows. Windows 11 separates overall device access from app access, which gives you more control over privacy, but it also means you need to make sure both switches are on. Let's walk through it together. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. You can click the Start button and select Settings from the menu, or press the Windows key plus I as a quick shortcut. Either way gets you to the same place. In the Settings window, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Privacy and Security. This is where Windows groups all the controls that manage what your apps can access, like your location, camera, and of course, your microphone. It's the right spot whenever something permission-related isn't working as expected. Now find and click Microphone under App Permissions. This page is dedicated to microphone controls and is divided into a few sections so you can set the level of access you're comfortable with. At the top, turn on Microphone Access. Think of this as the master switch for your device's microphone. If this is off, nothing on your PC, no system features, no apps can use the mic. Turning it on simply allows Windows to recognize and make the microphone available. Next, turn on Let Apps Access Your Microphone. This allows apps to actually use the mic once the device-level access is enabled. After you flip this on, you'll typically see a list of individual apps further down the page. You can keep the global switch on and still turn access off for specific apps you don't use or don't trust. You may also see a separate option for desktop apps. If you rely on traditional desktop programs, make sure that's enabled too. A couple of tips to finish up. If an app still can't hear you after changing these settings, close and reopen the app so it picks up the new permission. When your microphone is in use, Windows will usually show a small microphone icon in the taskbar, which helps you monitor which apps are listening. And remember, you can come back to this page anytime to fine-tune access, either globally or per app, to match your privacy comfort level. That's it. Your microphone is now allowed on Windows 11, and your apps should be able to use it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to clear, reliable audio.